Now that we've finished Joyce's right hand, we are going to move to her left hand. Again, we're going to start with her pinky. We're going to apply some polish to the flat top bottle that we have. This nail is shorter than the other one, which is okay. It'll just have less dots on it. I'm going to dip the end of the stylus into the polish. And again, just starting at different places, make random dots. I'm using the next to smallest size dotter that I have because her nail bed is a little larger than most. When you're done making your dots, you want to make sure you wipe your stylus off good so that it's not stringy when you use it again. Wipe off the polish off the top of the bottle. And again, her nail is shorter than the rest of them, so on this hand she may have less dots, but being that they're in random places, it's not really going to matter. It's just the overall effect that you're looking for.